Nidhi Tapadia dazzles in rainy saree is short. Nidhi Tapadia, who is the talented actress and model from Nashik, Maharashtra, is once again winning hearts on Instagram. Nidhi Tapadia, who is the talented actress and model from Nashik, Maharashtra, is once again winning hearts on Instagram. Born on September 12, 1997, Nidhi Tapadia is known for her graceful beauty and has appeared in music videos like Dil Sita Jatta Koka 2019 with Kulvinder Billa and Yaad Karke 2019 by Gajendra Verma. Her recent Instagram picture has become a major talking point online. In the photo, Nidhi Tabadia is seen striking a powerful pose in the rain. She is dressed in a adorable lime green sari and embraces the monsoon waves on a wet Mumbai street. Her arms raised gracefully over her head, wet hair falling back, and her confident expression truly captured the essence of the caption. किसी रोज़ बारिश जो आए. The beautiful click was taken by Pixel Passion Photography. Prasant Yadav, who is well known for his creative rainy photo concepts, the perfect blend of rain, fashion, and emotion, makes this image more than just a portrait. It becomes a visual mood. The caption tags include at rate of pixel passion photography, at rate of Nidhi Tapadia, at rate of pixelance art. This is not just a fashion moment, it is a monsoon celebration captured through art. The blend of Mumbai rain's vintage street aesthetics and Nidhi Tapadia's graceful pose creates a timeless photo memory. Thank you for watching Showbiz International News. Please subscribe Showbiz International News for updating news and more informations.